Good night, teacher. My name is Andres Nieto, and I make this video to support of option B of my activity. Okay? I will travel in August, and I will visit the island of San Andres, and I will stay on the hotel Copcum Beach. Okay? I will bring beach clothes, sunglasses, sunscreen, hat, camera, Crocs, and berry money. For this trip, I will invite and my girlfriend. We will walk around the islands. We will dance on the beach. We drink liquor. We will swim, dive, eat tropical dish. We have an budget of 5 million, and with good many sweets to take to family. Thank you. Bye, teacher.